Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola, bom dia. Tenho uma sessão de 26 euros. I have 26 euros session guys. And I have a new dog tag from Shantra Scratcher. Thank you Shantra for spending money and time and effort to send this to me. All my tools guys, all my scratching tools and my scratching coins are all free. They give me for free. They just emailed me. They emailed me and sent it from the US, from other countries, and send it to Portugal. It's not cheap, guys. Thank you, Sandra, so much for this. I will take care of this. Your green one, I miss it. One day I'll do a general cleaning in my house. I know it's somewhere, but I don't know where. Okay, sign of aging, Sandra. Sorry for that, but I know I don't lose it. It just misplaced. Thank you for this beautiful tool. Check him out, guys. I will uh, drop his link on my comment section. Shantra Scratcher. It's a big channel from the US, guys. Okay? Shantra Scratch and Spin. He does scratching and spinning. Spinning? What's that called? Because I don't know how to play that machine. What's that? Jessica. Okay, so like scratching and spinning. Okay? Sorry guys, I'm tired, so my brain doesn't work properly. Thank you so much, Sandra. I will take care of this. So today I have 26 euro session. I'll try his scratching tool. Okay, let's start with this Ruby 7. I have ticket number 12, 13, 14, 15. Tengo los números 12, 13, 14, 15. No, it's dark. Okay, matching numbers. If we uncover the symbol, we find 7 times the price shown. The symbol is a win all. Here we're looking for star. It's a tribu. Win 20. If we uncover the symbol star, we win 20. We're looking for 11, 15, 43, 23, 14, 26, 31, 41, 34. It's a good tool, guys. It's very strong. It's good for scratching. Listen up. This size 30, 39, 25. Ay, 11. Winner! First ticket. It's a winner. 32, 21, 13. I found one match. Come on, Chandra. Be big. Ay, of course. It's not your fault, Santa. Chandra, it's Portugal Lottery's fault. Okay, so I found 5 euro. Not bad. Not so bad. It's bad, but not so bad. Just money back, okay? Now let's go to ticket number 13. Star, no? We're looking for 11, 22, 24, 13. 16, 15, 36, 12, 21, 32, 30, 34, 18, 38, only 20. Ay! Back to back! Wow! I found back to back, guys. Not common in Portugal Lottery. Please don't give me coffee money. I found back to back, guys. 24, 43, 22. Ay, 5 otra vez, but not bad. I got all my not all money back. Okay, so 13, 12, 13. Maybe 3 in a row. Sometimes it's happened. Estrella? No. I'm looking for 19, 26, 43, 12, 36, 41, 39, 45, 30. It's nice. It's very nice to use this scratching tool. 24, 13, 33, 22, 21, backwards, 28, 40, 14, 11. Okay, so this is not a winner. Let's go here. Estrella. Ay! I found the Estrella, guys. Wow, thank you, Sandra. Thank you for this beautiful win you give me. Look. I found this Estrella, guys, 3 times. Wow. So I got 30, guys. I only spent 26. I already got 30. This is a profit session. Wow, what a beautiful win. Almost back to back to back, guys. 12, 13, 15. Wow. We're looking for 38, 31, 11, 12, 40, 25, 18, 39, 24. I checked. I can win more than 20. 36, 26, 41, 45, 28, 29, 15, 34, 23. No, it's not a winner, but I found 20, the Estrella symbol. So I got 20. My this 30 already. I only spent 26. Gaste 26. Wow. Now I have the puti de mel, pot of honey. At ticket number 23, 24, 23, 24. Wow, Centra, thank you for giving me a good win today. 47, 32. 32, 47, 52, 58, 58, 52, 15, 51. 15, 51. It's a nice session. 51. Where's the 15 here? Three size. I bought the good part of the book, guys. 23. Where's the 23? 23. This ticket is it's a joke. This a no. This a size. This a no. Maybe I win 3 euros. 14. Maybe 30. It's a no. 37. 37. Don't give me 28. 44. Ay, I need 28 to win 30. I know. Every time I say don't give me one more win for 3 euro, they give me. Ay, sa casa. 12. I was hoping for 30, guys, but no. 12. Where's the 12 here? It's only 3 euro, guys. You cannot win more than 3 euro. 41. But let's continue. For the people who don't understand how to play this game, size. 30 size. Where's the 30 size? Okay, so only 3 euro. Not bad, guys. Not bad. I got 33 already. Then Maybe this is also a winner. Chantra gives me all the luck in the world today. This is no 58. This is no 58, 54, 50. 50. 54, 46, 47. 47. 46, 56, 24. 56. Where is the 24 here? 7. Set in Portuguese. 57. Anyone? Or I don't see. 11, 15. 15. 11. 53. 41. 52. Give me 31. Give me 31. Give me 45. I need one number to win 100. 36. Come on, ticket. Give me 8. I need 36, 31. And give me 32. Jesus. I'm so close for 100 win, guys, but they didn't give me a chance. Okay, so it's a good session, guys. It's a good session. I bring this to the lottery store. Maybe I miss number. Okay, so I bought 3 tickets in a row. I bought 3 tickets in a row and only one losing ticket. What a miracle, St. Casa. Okay, so I got 12, 13, 15. Okay? So I spent 26 and I won 33. Nice. Gaste 20, 26. Gagne 33. Muito bem. Lucro. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.